Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Cancers, we are picking these cards, Cancers. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, Cancers, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Cancers. So, let's start with these cards here. For your general energies, Cancers, we have 10 of air, temptation, and 4 of air. So, in your circumstances, guys, Cancers, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, maybe in your circumstances, you are not concentrating on what is truly needed. So, maybe in your work, you have your attention and focus on something else, not on work, and you feel really disturbed. There are a lot of distractions for you, so you don't have that concentration, but you are someone who is really skilled, talented, and responsible. So you do not like the way you are today, so some kind of distractions are there, taking away your attention, so your focus is not on work or not on what you do, guys. So maybe in this relationship also, you have your mind on something else, and that may be the reason for things going in a difficult way for you today. So you feel that you are unable to concentrate or unable to do the things in a better way, do the things with that maximum potential, handle your circumstances in a better way in your work or in your relationship. You are unable to do things the right way because Cancers, these distractions, it may be some habits or some person or some circumstances, or it may even be some illness you have. So that is taking your time and energy, your focus. So you feel really lost or stuck, don't know what should be your next move or how to handle your circumstances. Even in this relationship, there are certain difficulties arising out of this lack of concentration, Cancers. Maybe this person feels that you are not spending time for them, or not willing to be with them, or not doing anything for them, anything for this relationship. So some kind of they or you both lack some kind of understanding, and things are really heating up between you both, guys, and you need to make a change on your part. If you want something positive, if you want something meaningful within you both, between you both, guys, you need to change. That is what this person expects, or that is what is the right thing for you. So the way you are distracted, the way you have lost focus has led to some difficulties. Maybe you need to respond in a different way instead of just coping up with these habits, relying on some habits to make yourself happy or make yourself truly or pacify yourself. You need to make the right decision. Some kind of change is what is needed, guys, on your part if you want things to change. So this person is even thinking of moving away from you. So you need to be really careful, guys. Pisces, Cancer, sorry, guys. Maybe you are dealing with the Pisces, Cancer. So this person is thinking of moving away from you. So if you want to avoid such circumstances, you need to focus on what is truly important for you today, Cancer. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's 8 of fire. So just like I said, things are really gaining momentum. So this person wants an answer immediately from you guys, and they are expecting that right away. And if you are not interested in changing yourself, or if you are not interested in this relationship, you must make a concrete decision, guys. So this person is expecting something, maybe a change from you or a positive answer. So for your career situation, we have Ace of Earth. So in your work situation, things are moving in a peaceful way, going in the right direction. You may have a lot of opportunities, offers coming your way. But if you want success, if you want concrete results in your circumstances, guys, you must be able to align yourself with that, maybe make those efforts needed to achieve success. So that is what I see with these cards, Cancers. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it is Kyanite. It is a crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, this crystal stands for having that diplomacy, resolving disputes in our circumstances, and restoring harmony and mending the fences we have, and building bridges or connections with the people we care for. So in our relationship, this may be the time for you to be a bigger person, being really diplomatic, trying to connect with that other person and try to have that mutual understanding, guys. There is a reason for you to be with this person, guys. There is a reason this person is here in this relationship with you. And now to connect with them in a healthy way is to understand that you both are different. You must honor those differences. But diplomacy is going to be the thing that is going to help you mend the fences you both have. And you will be surprised how much you will, or your words will reach to that person if you say it lovingly, if you, instead of trying to prove your point logically, guys. So love is going to mend the fences you both have, and it will bring harmony in your relationship, guys. Maybe sometimes for some of you, it's possible that you have attracted this relationship where you are doing all that emotional work and this person is simply sucking your energy and they are not doing anything from their side. If that is the case, you can always say no. And if you feel that there will be no change with that other person, you can always end that relationship, guys. That is your choice. Know that it is okay. You want to free this conflict that way. But if you can do it with love, it is going to be much more better for you guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. This crystal spirit, it stands for harmony and balance in your relationship. So let's see what is the second card for you. For those who chose this second card, it is transformation. And again, a beautiful card, guys. So this card just means that there are people, maybe it may be one person or maybe someone, it may be two people or more than that. They are quite envious and jealous of you, jealous of your success in your career or jealous of your personal life. So they are trying to do things, trying to oppose you, trying to pull you down, bring obstacles and problems in your circumstances. But you need to understand that this is the time for you to handle your situation wisely. Do not give in to temptation. So you may be tempted to do certain things from this by this person. If you can avoid these temptations, you can live a life of peace and harmony. But even if you cannot, if you have given in to these temptations, you will be facing few consequences, but there is nothing wrong in that. You will have a better understanding, a better learning, more wisdom. So what you need to do, you will know for sure, guys. So in your relationship or in your personal life, you are going to use your intelligence and being self-reliant, being confident in yourself, and you're working towards a better situation for yourself. So there are a lot of positive transformation happening in your life today, guys. And you serve as an inspiration to younger people in your life, maybe your children or your sisters or brothers. You are their inspiration and you are the guidance. So the way you handle your circumstance is simply going to teach them the right things in life. And you need to understand that whatever good deeds you are doing today will never be wasted, guys. You will get it multifold in your life. So whatever goodness you do to others, you are going to receive, guys. You can rest assured on that. So that is the energy with this card. So this envy and jealousy, it's not going to last forever. There is going to be an end to it, and you are going to succeed in your life, guys, whatever you take up. But right now there may be some problems you are facing, some struggles you are facing, but you are going to overcome all that, guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. Thank you, guys, for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.